I feel like a grandma. What's up, guys? Today we're headed to Trillium Lake. It's actually kind of where we're camping. We're camping in this free campsite area next to Trillium Lake. And so we're gonna load the dogs up. We tried walking there the other day, didn't go very smooth. So now we're gonna drive there. There's a $5 parking fee, so we'll knock that out. But we're gonna get the dogs to go swimming because it's hot. As you can tell, they're ready to swim. Roman, do you wanna go in? You got your sharks on sharks. Shark t-shirt, shark swim trunks. You ready to go in the water?
No.
Oh. Where's your soccer ball? You wanna show them how you're... So Roman got this. There's a spider on it. All right, there we go. Roman got this golf set. Here, show me how it's done. Where's your balls? Show me how you do it. Oh, you're putting your balls in there? Is that so they don't disappear? Whoa, there's gonna be spiders. They'll be down here. Mom's shoes. I gotta put my dad's shoes on. Gotta put the generator away. And bring your net and try and catch fishers? Do you want to bring your net to the lake and try and catch some fish? Okay. And one monster truck? Okay. Alright, let's get in the car. Let's go swimming. You ready to go to the lake? It's not an ocean, it's a lake.
No ocean.
You want to go to the ocean?
Soon, baby.
Soon we'll go to the ocean.
And then we'll get the best fish and chips. Whoa! That's it. Oh, where's the fish? See, right there.
Let's go get the fish. Let's go. Come on. There's 10 million people here. Which means these guys can't come off the lead. Which is never fun when the dogs don't get to play. Daddy caught a salamander. Do you see it?
Daddy!
This thing is crazy.
That's crazy as his dog. Hey, let me see it.
This is keeping them wet.
I think it's so cool.
Right? The fact that it's climbing out of the net. It's got like tiny little hands. You see it?
Yeah.
What is it? Is it a lizard?
Huh?
We gotta let him go. You wanna let him go?
Yeah.
Where do we want to let him go?
Wait there.
All right, come here. You want a salamander?
Yeah, this thing is cool.
In the...
Let's get rid of Shelby and keep this thing.
Oh, I'm down. 3, 2, 1. You counted down? No way.
1, 2, 3.
Bye, salamander. Whoa. Bye.
Bye.
See you later. So finally, people are starting to disappear. I felt comfortable letting the dogs swim for a second.
Shadow, this way, baby.
This way, Shadow. If we let both the dogs off the leash at once, they would run around and terrorize everybody. All right, you ready? Drop it. Shadow, drop it. Okay, drop it. Shadow, drop it. Go get it. Go get it. The fact that she jumped is a good thing. It means she'll be a dock diver. We gotta go back to home because we have a dock that the dogs can dive off of, and we'll get her to do it. Oh, ho, ho. She's figured out the rocks. Those are no issue now. Good girl. Give me the ball. Shelby. I like her so much more now she's jumping off the rocks. Alright guys, so what you just watched was Trillium Lake. That was the lake we camped next to in Oregon. And I forgot I had all that footage. So that was that section of the video. Now we're at this little pond by my house. Bobby and Roman are gonna go play in the water. It's one of our favorite places to take Roman because it's actually very shallow for a long time, and so he gets to like swim and play around in the water, which is nice. And then my buddy Sean Oz is here. We're gonna fly some drones, and we're gonna just, he's got a oh, I don't know if we're gonna take a drone off. There is a eagle right there.
Oh.
Thing is looking for a fish. I guarantee that thing's about to catch him. You guys probably can't see it, but this bird is massive. So Sean is a drone novice, nerd,
What?
expert. Sean has, how many drones do you have?
7. I just ordered another
And you just
one.
bought another one.
Yeah.
So Sean likes, he's just a kid that never got the toys he wanted. So now that he's an adult, he just buys all the toys.
Actually 100% true.
So we're going to fly the drones. He actually doesn't have my drone.
No.
And he wants to make a video with my drone, which if you love drone content, check out Sean's channel, it's linked down below. And yeah, we're just gonna rip these around. This thing's pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. When it's not windy, this thing flies great. Wind pushes it around so bad.
If you live in a place that's windy, this is not the drone for you. Upgrade to the next one up, which is the one that I'm using today.
I'm still gonna fly it in the wind. Okay, so Sean's gonna fly my drone now, do a couple stuff, but then Sean brought some electric skateboards.
Oh yeah.
Because once again, he's really into these adult toys. And we're gonna go rip those around right now. So let's go to the skateboards. Sean, this needs to go faster. I feel like a grandma. Roman rides his bike faster than this. The stop is like rough.
Yeah, you gotta, okay, now you're in mode 2, so it should go a lot faster.
Put me in mode 4.
No, dude, mode 3 maybe.
Put me in mode 3.
If he breaks, right now, say a disclaimer. If he breaks something, I am not liable for crap.
All right.
Go ahead, no, say it.
Hey, yeah,
Say
you're
it.
not reliable if you.
Not reliable.
You're reliable if I.
No,
Dude,
I'm not.
Why? Yeah,
reliable. I'm not
I ride
reliable.
skateboard. I ride snowboards.
Just, the brake is different.
Oh, I won't use the brake.
You need the brake. You're gonna need the brake in mode 3.
He acts like I didn't ride this the other day. I rode this.
Okay.
Is there a reverse on this? Roman!
I discovered all the.
That was so good. Dude, he held his feet for so long. They're definitely fun to ride. I kind of see why you got 2, but then don't
have somebody to go out with you.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So what Sean's saying is we don't have to get one because we can go ride his all the time.
Yeah, as long as you go out with me. An excuse to hang out.
Dude, I'm down. Okay, so this one was cool, but that one's faster. Come on, Roman.
You went down that
The brake feels smoother. Whoa, dude. This one sounds quieter too. Roman gets too mad if I leave him in the dust. Roman!
A smoother takeoff, faster takeoff, and a smoother brake.
And I think the brake is the most important thing.
I do
because
too.
I'm scared, like on that, hitting the brake, I'm like...
Hitting it hard, I'm always like, whoa. Ugh. So this company, Meepo, actually makes a cheap one like this also. I can't tell you if the brake's gonna feel the same as this, but it's about the $350 range also.
I'll have an electric skateboard linked in the description if you want to check them out.
Wheels are soft.
Let's go, dude! So Sean is a tattoo artist. He did my tattoo, and he's got this pretty sick style. And I have an idea for a new snowboard, and Sean's gonna design it for me. So I'm really excited. We're gonna go. I like sketched it, and then we're gonna go over the design right now, and he's gonna finish that up for me. It's a nice car.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, it's not about mine. I really don't want to spoil this for you guys. I think the design's gonna be sick, but I'm just gonna give you a quick sneak peek. That's all you guys get to see. So how's the tattoo shop doing? You need more people to come get tattoos?
Yeah, as long as they're willing to book out like 3 weeks or more ahead of time, then yeah, keep on booking.
Summoning Tattoo, guys. Link down below. Make sure you get your tattoo. It's like a bad, you know what I'm saying?
What are you doing?
But here would be the tentacle, and I mean these tentacles can be like tearing up as a bow, and then
Like just you're zoomed in on it.
and it could be even. All right, guys, that's today's video. Once again, still mixing in a couple of the Oregon footage because I forgot I had that footage, but it's good footage. Are you messing with me? What a jerk. Okay,
Yep.
we'll go get a snack. So once again, don't forget the drone's linked down below. I'll link one of Sean's skateboards down below. If you're interested in any of my camera gear, anything I filmed these video with, or you want to support the channel, all of my Amazon affiliate links are linked down below. You can snag something that I have linked, or if you go through those links and buy anything off Amazon, it supports the channel. And you can go through my link and literally go buy whatever you wanted to buy on Amazon. It still supports me. And other than that, if you liked today's video, hit that like button. If you didn't like it, hit the dislike button. And then, of course, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Our goal is to help you become the best snowboarders possible. But we're not snowboarding right now. We will be soon. We're going to Virginia, and we're going to a Snowflex resort. It's going to be really cool. So make sure you subscribe so you see that. And as always, Team Buckhouse, thank you for riding skateboards with us today, flying drones with us today, and going to Trillium Lake. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff.